Hi guys, today I'm coming here to visit one of my best friends. He's one of the best chefs in the south of the Canary Islands in Palomas. And now we're gonna try to taste one of his best dishes. It's gonna be behind the scenes, okay? So stay with me, so get ready, and I'll show you now. See you later. Here we are. Let me introduce you to my buddy, Mooney. Stay here.
Basta man, ¿quién te ha invitado a ti hoy? ¿Eh? ¿Qué haces?
I'm not very welcome here. I just finished shooting with my buddy. The food was incredible. The shooting was incredible. Amazing, both of them. So stay tuned. Thank you, and see you soon.